Sanibonani futhi balandeli nabathandi bayo iWTV ukhuluma nani uProfessor CM Lukhuleni ukhuluma nami qopha ngila esikolweni sami enkangala 821 section D Inyala Street. Hayi bafowethu, Inyala Street khona la kaLukhuleni, inyanga esiza abantu ngeqiniso, inyanga muni, inyanga ukuthi kodwa, inyanga ukuthi twisisa, futhi ndikuphansi ngodlami, angihambi ngento ngihamba no Brakb ngithi how locha malume wa mamangi ke re bafowethu la itse re so.
Siyabonga prof. Siyabonga prof. Prof.
Yes my brother.
Hey. Wayithinta emsileni la.
Yeah.
Wathi khona ukuthwala wangempela, khona ukuthwala ngamanga. Cela utshele ukuthi ukuthwala ngamanga uthwala kanjani?
Ukuthwala ngamanga Brakb bazongixolela. Akuna sithwalo ukuthiwa se wallet 1. Akuna sithwalo sokuthi uzovuka namhlanje uthole imali 2. Akuna sithwalo sokuthi uzofaka imali wena ufaka imali use Cape Town, inyanga ise Durban or inyanga ise Bushbuckridge bese bathi automatically imali izojika ibe 250. Isithwalo samanga leso.
But prof, let me stop you there. Is thwalo samanga cause when you don't do it, or is it no? But what I'm saying is that are you saying that ngoba wena uyenzi, or because
I'm saying it because of lot of people are coming in to me and crying. I'm saying to it and to also to stop those who are trying to do it with the bonani ayikho into enjalo. You can't.
But prof, is it fair? And I wanna thank Mr. Kesh, if he's watching. He said something very interesting in the comments on a video and he posted ukuthi zinyanga ngicela ukuthi if ungayenzi something, please don't say it doesn't exist, because we're now years. And then I sort of agree with them, because I can see sometimes umuntu uthi sibani mina lento le akayenzi. For example, I'll ask you, for example, someone can turn around and say, but prof, when on a briefcase.
Yes, in a briefcase we land like her. I'm just trying to say kubantu Brakb. Kunabantu njengamanje, ne? Kunabantu abadliwe imali day and night over iphone. Akangazi akangazi umbone kuTsoho TV ngithi ngiyathwalisa. And then mangibona kuTsoho TV ngithi ngiyathwalisa, athatha imali ayifake, ne? Maqeda ukuyifaka ngithi ya 30 minutes maybe ngibone ku Facebook, akangibonanga ngena kuTsoho TV, ngibone ku Facebook ngipostile lapha ngithi imali esheshayo. Talking from experience from 1999, if you khona inyanga ethwalisayo eyathwasa 80 ngakhuluma nayo leyo, ne? Angihlabi inyanga ngihlabi ini. But from ngale nyaka lo ngene ephehlweni mina Brakb 89 90 91 92 93 94 ngangiqede ephehlweni ngoSeptember ngabuye ekhaya. Uma ngibuye ekhaya since then angikhumbuli ngabona inyanga ngihambile Brakb, ngihambile ngayifuna ukuthola ukuthi okwamanye ama-Africa amanye ayenza njani. I even go to Spain, ngibuya khona mina ngofunda ubuthakathi bokuthi bathakatha njani, ama-India bathakatha njani, uma bathi bahlola ngesandla bahlola njani la esandleni. I went and practiced all those stuff. Why? Because of I was searching for truth. Kufuna ukuthola iqiniso layo yonke into, so that mangikhuluma ngento ngithi into esongiyayenza ngibe nge100% ukuthi nale yenzeka kanjalo nala ngiyenzeka kanjalo. Why? Manje ngithe mina makubola izamba linye kubola yonke into.
That's true.
Abantu if wena lento ungayazi kahle ngizama ukukhalima abantu ukuthi guys, let's not fool our people. Abantu balambile, ugovernment akanamali akanamsebenzi, uphande wena leyo 20,000 uphandeleyo bese ngithi faka le 20,000 izozala uzothi uthi phapha ebank uzothola 2 million. 2 million just kanjalo vele accountini yakho uyingene nje bangayifreeze nasebank khonakala into enjalo bra KB. Truly speaking abantu noma ngasho lo muntu ukuthi mangayenzi but ayikho into enjalo. Manje kunomuntu ovula iFacebook, amsho nginama Facebook ayi10 mina manje 10 ama Facebook kune picture yami uthi prof nginesithwalo ngithwalisa mina ngikwenzela imali nge15 minutes 400 lalela le mali kanjani 400 uthola 500,000 kuphi eaccounting yakho. What you do, you just deposit the money and then leyo mali bantu bayifaka apha ngwazi and then lo muntu ubani futhi uthola imali yakhe ulikhulile. Kunenye inyanga naye bayenze maybe njalo and then ithi ninti iyathwalisa kanjalo kanti akusiyo lenyanga.
But
someone
let me sorry to this. Right now you're not talking about Ukuthwala kwamanga. You're talking about ama scammer, which is a totally different story.
Okay, no. Ayithise ngiyibeka ngifake yonke.
Okay.
Ukukhuluma kuze ngifake yonke ngiunderline ngikhulumela ngokuthi ayikho into yokuthwala. Ukuthwala amanga masikhuluma ukuthwala ngamanga ngihlezi la ngithi ngithwele. Kunabantu abashuta abangifonele uyangizwa bra KB uthi lo muntu ngihlezi la uthi kimi prof ngisende ithombe zami ezingunu ngingadokwanga. Lo muntu uthe ngishude ngingunu ngasenda ngishude nginjani ngasenda and I end up paying this guy ngimalini at 300 kuphi santini. Ngithi serious mana na uma uphile kahle ngenhloko ungabhadala imali engaka ngithi mina ngila enkangala ungangazi ungangiboni manje uma uyoyifuna ukuthwala kamanga and then lo muntu uyangithusa uthi kimi if I tell someone I will die ngoba le picture leso uyinikeze kuma evil spook bathi ini lento evil forest yakhe la khuluma ngayo ngawazi. Ngithi no athi mkhulu ngithwele ngisaba nokuza ngizokuza kuwe uzongisiza because of lento izobulala and I end up saying no man when I look at this thing ngahlala phansi ngayihlola ngathi ukuthi ayikho lento le akukhonakala bafu ukuthwale asazi maybe eminye imimoya inzima or ngingasayingathi maybe inzima but truly speaking guys ayikhumbuli mina ukuthi ngakwazi ukukuhlabela unless mangabe ngiyanyamalala njengonomanyamalala ngivumbuke kuwe bese ngifike ngiyakusebenza bese nginyamalala ngibuyele emvumbeni kanjalo but we never met so no medicine no nothing no kusika no nothing but ngizofa. Yes isithombe ngesazi maybe ngoba ngasenza ama trick nyana ukuthwala kamanga lo. People must not allow themselves bathola bahukeke ngenyanga abangayiboni bangayazi ithi yakuthwalisa over the phone. There's no such.
So masikhulume ngenyanga uyibonayo ke.
Yes kunenyanga futhi engizozuzeka likhuleni ukuthwala futhi nako lokho kwamanga ngeke ngithi uyeka bani uzeka likhuleni mawufika kalikhuleni safika sathi thina sikwenzela into yangenzeka lento leyo and then ulikhuleni kusasa athi kuwe no njengoba lento ingenzekanga is better ukuthi ubuye na 100,000 so that lento ukwazi ukuyenzeka ukuthwala kamanga lo akwenzeki if ngasho njalo mina ngcono hamba why manje kufuneka 100,000 ukuthi ukhiphe leyo kuqala enye uzaso uyithatha ukuthi ukuthi leyo mali ukuthwala kamanga sikhuluma ngento njalo ukuthi you can't uze kimi ngikuthwalise mangicede ukukuthwalisa ngecontract ayisebenzanga or icontract awubonanga next ngecontract and then at the end of the day ngithi ngifuna malini 100,000 again you pay me that 100,000 still ayisebenzi ukuthwala kamanga and then at the end of the day nguthe ukuthi ngizokubulala ngikuthusele ngokufa ngizokubulala hey there's no such.
Here's my question manje na prof. Right, let's say maybe ngasuka la I see someone on TV uthi no mina ngithwele imphethe isithwalo sesandle for example isithwalo sekebisi like that guy hey man he makes sense ngiyasuka lapho ngifika kuwe we do the rituals nani ngekhaya this thing is not working how do I know mina ukuthi ngithwele ngesithwalo samanga or this thwalo sesikhona it's just that mhlambe asikhasheli nani because I don't know ukuthi isikhona in the first place because people obviously have your trust okay let's say mhlawumbe, okay, we're not a bad example because you're known, but let's say someone who's not known at all. Uyavela just, for example, inyanga that are not known, that vela abavela kuTuho TV, but yeah, mina ngusibani bani thola, because I know the comments, people in the comments, they usually fry inyanga, but ungubani lo bra KB ubathola kuphi labantu. And that's not nice, guys. But they would say that, but let's say leyo nyanga, it's, you know, iphethe isithwalo sanisana. When you go there, start leso sithwalo sekepisi, and then you go and doesn't work. How will you know ukuthi lento le ngithole ngesithwalo samanga or whatever?
Ukunothisa izinto bafu. To know that thing, if you call that nyanga, ne, or that person, akutshele ngemali ezinye eziphezulu, would know. Is amanga lento ayikho. Because of,
but does the price make it amanga, or does the
because that person is trying to chase you away? Because knowing very well that thing won't work.
Oh, you mean masomfonela uthi lento ayisebenzi? Oh, okay.
If it's demanding more money, it's 12 samanga.
Okay.